my 7. I'm ripping in my 7, my 7, my 7. Okay. I'm flossing in my 7, my 7, my 7. I'm riding in my 7.
Alright, man, so since we had to pull out the truck, put the transmission over here, put it back off in the tuck. These torque converters will be needed for those 80s. But that does mean we can go ahead and get rid of this one and this one. But also, while we got the truck pulled out, what we're gonna do is, you can see I already got it. I got it braced. I got it jacked up. Gonna take the wheels off and take care of these damn couch or these drums. They just look hideous behind here. So the plan is to pull these off and replace them with painted drums. Now these do look a little bit larger than the ones that were on the rear end that we got from my buddy Josh. But I went ahead and painted them, you know, good practice, all that good shit. So I'm gonna have to pull one off, compare them, and go from there. So let me cut you back on after I do that. Alright, so we're all done, guys. It's good to go. I wish that was the case. But as you can see, these are the drums I just pulled off. And they are significantly larger. Like one fits inside the other. So, what we're gonna have to do, or what we've done, we went ahead and sprayed it down with the brake cleaner or whatever. Let it dry for a second, and we're gonna make these. We're gonna make these look like this one, and then we're gonna put them back on the truck and get it together. Also, since we got this out and about, I don't remember if y'all remember when Cortez did the dash, he kind of put that Rhino liner on there. So what I was gonna do, I probably could have did it without painting them. I could have just went straight Rhino liner or bed liner to the door panels. However, I didn't, so here we are. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bed line on top of these and get them ready. You know what I'm saying? To go ahead and go on the dog. So my dog C10, my dog Cortez is over there doing the damn thing. I'm just like, what am I doing with my life? I mean, I know I got a plethora, you know what I'm saying? I got the box shaker over here. I got the damn colors over there. But I gotta finish up the C10, man. Give some love. Cortez is on my heels. And he talking about putting a turbo on it, so stay tuned. Stay tuned. So yeah, since I gotta paint those joints, I'm gonna probably go ahead and wipe these down and get ready to fucking bed liner these joints as well. Go ahead and get them both knocked out and be good to go. So let me cut you back on. Alright, so we got these over here baking in the sun. And they ain't perfect, but you know, so they drums. Most of it, you ain't gonna see most of it anyway, but the fact that it's not, you know, rusty color, black, it'll blend in. There it goes. Meantime, in between time, we also went ahead and shot some of the bed liner on here. You can see it kind of has some texture to it. I've never actually shot it before, but Cortez use it on gas. It works, so you shut it on here. As it looks like first coat, I'm probably do 2 coats each. And I don't plan on going by all things. Also, if you were wondering what I shot the drums with, I use this rust barrier, rust preventive coating. So I guess technically it ain't even painted. I mean, it is, but it ain't. Okay, so I had some of this laying around, so threw it on there. Like I said, we possibly doing disc in the future anyway. So this is only temporary. But yeah. Down 2. What's the width of these things again? 295. Put some rubber down. That should grip. If it had a little boost to it. Cortez boosted him. Why not me too? Alright, let me go and get back to work. Alright, so we just sprayed another coat on here. Second coat of bed liner or whatever. It's texturing up, doing what it's supposed to do. I wasn't expecting a real dramatic look. Well, then of course it wouldn't look like the stuff that comes out of what you call the big kits that's used for truck bed. Even though it is truck bed liner, maybe if I got closer, it would be more bulky. But I mean, we don't want it all bulky on there anyway. You can tell the difference though, looking at the door panel that has yet to be painted with the bed liner. So you can definitely see the difference. So we're gonna continue to let these bake. That way I can go ahead and put the drums and the wheels back on that and bring it back on into the garage tonight. And then we go to go. So we'll get this other door panel shot, and then we're gonna get us a little bit of tack up, move it off into the side, sit it on the wall, and then bring this one up, shoot that one. So pretty much just hanging over the doors at this point. Nothing much more that needs to be done. Stand by. Alright, so give y'all that close up, side by side comparison. Texture, no texture. Texture, no texture. Either way, just black door panels, nothing special. On to the next one. Alright, something's missing. That would be the rotors. And as you can see, we got them installed on the truck, and it looks a whole lot better. Even if it don't pop, it doesn't stick out like a sore thumb. Before it was just like an old rusty drum back there. Now this is black. The focus is back on the wheel, just like we want it. Show you the other side. Same story. The focus is no longer on the rusty drum, but on the wheel. So, mission accomplished, fellas and ladies. All 5 of y'all that watch or whatever. So, tune in next time. Oh, hold on. We gotta put the door panels on. Nope, I got something else for the door panels. So yeah, tune in next time. See what we finna do. C10 door panels. The only thing that I kind of regret or wish I had done now is paint the calipers up front before I put them on there. And now they're kind of like rusty looking. Yeah. Back looks good, fellas. Back looks good. So identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity and procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop The grind don't stop. Gone.